Our innovative formula combines the strength of graphene with the durability of ceramic to create a superior coating that not only improves protection, but also enhances the appearance of the vehicle. Our hydrophobic spray allows water to bead up and roll off the surface, making cleaning and maintenance easier, as well as preventing water stains, and also improves the depth of color, hardness, and clarity of the vehicle's finish, resulting in a high, gloss finish with the luster required for the showroom.